Hey, what's going on? Jose with Stay Classy Mobile Detailing. Today, we're gonna be polishing and ceramic coating a car. Let's have a look.
In a way, I am music playing so loudly. Sing me now when the night wide awake.
So today, this Lexus is in for a two-stage polish, getting rid of a lot of the deeper scratches, restoring some of this chrome, getting rid of some of this faded oxidation. Try to restore some scratching and remove scratching, and we're gonna finish it off with a two-stage ceramic coat, or a two-layer coat.
You like it? So watch my body just take it all in, just take it all in, just take it all in. So pay attention, I'm coming your way, I'm coming your way, I'm coming your way. All I want is to be with somebody. Take my pain away. I'm music playing so loudly. Feel me now and then I wide awake. We don't need to explain everything, no. All we need is to feel. We don't have to.
So here we can see that the water just falls flat. There's absolutely no beading at all, no protection.
You like it? So watch my body just take it all in, take it.
So after the wash, we're doing a clay bar. Basically, we're trying to clay bar all the little nooks and crannies and get it ready for the polish.
Hey, yeah. Oh, yeah. You like it? So watch my body just take it all in, take it all in, just take it all in. So pay attention, I'm coming your way, I'm coming your way. You like it?
So after it's been washed and clay barred, we're trying to address these types of scratching with the polish. So we're trying to get all these little scratches that are basically everywhere, every few inches. So here we're using Rupe's blue wool pad, which is a coarse pad with the Zephyr gloss coarse polishing pad. And just off this, we're seeing really dramatic results on the gloss already. these are the results after the wash, clay bar, and a coarse polish, followed by a finishing polish. And now it's time to apply the the ceramic. Been polished, and before the coating, we use denatured alcohol, 91%, or panel white. Basically soak the area that's going to be coated to get rid of any silicones, any polish, anything that would prevent the coating from sticking really good onto the paint. So this would be the step right before the coating.